Subscribe to the Advanced Unboxer channel and watch all latest technology videos by pressing the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the another interesting video on my channel. In this video we are going to talk about the LG G8 release date, news, price and leaks. So keep watching this video. My name is Hamza Mukhtar, you are watching Advanced Unboxer. So let's get started. The LG G8 or LG G8 ThinQ as it might be called is starting to appear in leaks from a variety of sources. We've also taken the liberty of listing the things that we most want from the LG G8. There is no official word on when the LG G8 will launch, and we initially expected it to come a year after the LG G7 ThinQ, which would fall on May 2019. There is no guarantee that it will be announced in May, though, especially as the LG G6 was announced in February 2016 during MWC. MWC 2019 takes place from 25 to 28 February, so that's a possible time frame for the announcement. Indeed, an MWC announcement has not specifically been rumored. One report suggests the phone will be announced towards the end of March instead. We don't yet know what the LG G8 will cost either, but the LG G7 ThinQ launched for $749, so prices for the LG G8 may be similar. Little is known so far about the design of the LG G8, but we have had a look at some of the key features we can expect to come to the next handset. For one thing, a source claims that LG will be ready to use sound emitting displays in its phones from early 2019, essentially allowing the earpiece to be built into the screen. Currently, the earpiece is one of the main components that prevents a truly bezel-free phone. So with this solved, it's possible that LG G8 will have no bezel and no notch. We have also heard from leaker that the LG G8 will have a 4K LCD screen. That's up from 1440 by 3120 LCD screen on the LG G7 ThinQ. It would be more in line with the likes of Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium if true. While the resolution boost would be appreciated, it's unlikely to be that noticeable outside of VR, therefore be a focus for the LG G8. However, it's disappointing that the phone is apparently sticking with LCD, given that OLED is generally considered to be better and is increasingly being used by high-end phones including LG V35 ThinQ. The only other rumor so far states that the LG G8 will have a teardrop notch and a front-facing camera with 3D skills. However, the same source says the phone won't support 5G. We can also guess that the LG G8 will probably have a Snapdragon 855 chipset. The chip has been announced by Qualcomm and is likely to be used in many of 2019 phones. One report has said the phone won't be capable of 5G despite sporting the super-fast internet-compatible Snapdragon 855 chipset. Here is what we want to see from the LG G8. While we wait for some more rumors about the LG G8 to roll in, here is a list of what we hope the phone will offer. Number 1 is the exciting innovations. More than anything, we hope that LG G8 will have some innovative features that we have not seen before. LG has done this in the past with the likes of its rear keys on older handsets and the modules it launched for the LG G5, but the LG G7 ThinQ is fairly safe and ordinary in comparison. It gets many of the basics right, but for the LG G8 to stand out from the crowd, it's going to need to do more than that, so we want LG to surprise us. Next thing is a big battery. One disappointing aspect of the LG G7 is its small 3000 mAh of battery, a battery which can last the day but won't go beyond that for most users. That's roughly in line with many other phones, but they in many cases have much bigger batteries. We would love to see what LG could do with a big one of say around 4000 mAh. The next thing is the stereo speakers. The LG G7 already has a very good speaker, but the key word there is a speaker, not speakers. For the LG G8, we would like to see all the fancy boombox tech written, but for it to be used in a pair of speakers rather than one. Next thing we want from LG G8 is a lower price. LG G7 ThinQ is an expensive phone, but oddly in the US, it's a very expensive phone launching at a higher price than even the Samsung Galaxy S9. That's a tricky position for LG to be in because it's not as big a name in phones as Samsung's. The next thing we want from LG G8 is no notch. We see notches as something of a stopgap before phones eliminate bezels altogether, but some handsets such as the Vivo Nex and Oppo Find X are already getting very close to doing that. And with LG rumored to be building the earpiece into the screen for the G8, it's not out of the question that the phone could have no notch and virtually no bezels. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And if you think I should improve my channel, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.